Hey, everyone! Apple's rolling out the iOS 26 public beta this week, offering early access to its major UI overhaul and powerful new smart features. If you're thinking of testing it, here's your ultimate guide. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple plans to release the iOS 26 public beta around Wednesday, July 23, 2025, a few days after Beta 4 dropped for developers. This will also include public betas of iPadOS, macOS 26, watchOS 26, tvOS 26, HomePod, and even AirPods firmware. To participate, simply enroll in Apple's beta software program. It's free. Once the beta goes live, go to Settings, General, Software Update, select Beta Updates, and opt into the iOS 26 public beta. Pro tip: back up your device first in case you need to roll back. This update introduces Apple's new liquid glass design, translucent, glass-like interface elements that float and distort dynamically across iPhone, iPad, Mac, TV, and watch. Expect blurred backgrounds, floating toolbars, updated camera and Safari icons, and check out that slick sliding unlock animation. The public beta is set for July 23rd, following several refinements to improve legibility. Key features and enhancements: Apple Intelligence and Image Playground, on-device ChatGPT-style image generation within Notes and Photos, plus Genmoji inline in Messages. Live Translate, real-time speech and text translation in Phone and FaceTime. Maps, preferred routes, offline maps, topographic layers, and trail routing in national parks. Music, AutoMix transitions for Apple Music subscribers, and a new pinning feature for library favorites. Privacy additions, nudity detection in FaceTime, it'll freeze the video, and improved wallet controls to block promotional content. Battery intelligence, estimated charge times on lock screen, and adaptive low-power mode. Plus enhancements to clock, custom snoozes, reminders, notes, markdown support, passkeys, Wi-Fi aware, and eSIM transfers. Beta 4 dropped July 21st, but the public beta will follow on July 23rd. If you're already on Beta 3, Beta 4 is the next developer build. However, the public beta is slightly more polished and refined in stability and UI. Public betas are less buggy than developer builds, but not always stable. Best practice? Install on a secondary iPhone, not your daily driver. Beta 3 and 4 have already addressed UI glitches and transparency issues, but expect occasional bugs. How to install and explore. Enroll via beta, apple.com. Tap Settings, General, Software Update, Beta Updates. Select iOS 26 Public Beta when it appears. Let it download, install, and then explore the new Liquid Glass, app enhancements, and Apple Intelligence tools. Use built-in Feedback Assistant to report issues and help improve the software. To wrap up, iOS 26 public beta arrives this week, likely July 23rd, and it's packed with a dramatic UI overhaul, AI-powered tools, and safety features. Just remember to back up, install on a spare device, and be ready for some bugs. If you want an early taste of Apple's future, now's your chance. Will you be installing? Drop a comment, leave a thumbs up if you're excited, subscribe for full coverage, and tap the bell so you don't miss our deep dive once the final release arrives. Thanks for watching.